again. Today I have decided to try doing a double bottle bottom pour. Bit of a mouthful, that one. So I have my piece of, in this case it's a plastic sheeting. It's like a plastic board, and it's got blue tack, well, poster putty underneath to hold it in place on my cooling rack. And I've got a small bottle bottom, which I'll just pop right there, and I've got a larger one to go over it to pour from. But before I put the larger one on, I'm going to put a little white paint around the edge of the one that's down there, and that is just like a cushion to hold the little one in place while I'm pouring over the larger one. Oh, that should about do it. And now I will pop this one over the top. Try and anchor it down as hard as I can. Twisty twisty to make sure it stays in place. That's it, I can feel it gripping now. Okay, and I will start pouring. So you've seen my white house paint. I also have blue, fuchsia pink, purple and yellow. And I'm really, there's no point in me telling you what brand or colour type they are, because they're basically my mixes. Every one of those colours has got some pearlescent colour added to it. So I'll start with the blue and just pour randomly until I have the pattern or the amount of paint that I want. I'm now going to take off the larger bottle bottom so that I can start pouring onto the one underneath. my bottle bottom is on the move, so it's time for me to take it out. That is gorgeous. I wish I could just keep that middle bit. That is really, really pretty. So now I'm going to get my gloves on so that I can do some tilting. Just get rid of some of these little air bubbles that are in there. I won't do a lot of this because I want to wait until the end before I do the torching again. Wow. Wow, that's just, the centerpiece just blows me away. I'm not quite sure exactly how I got that. I wish I knew, because I would love to do that as a full-size piece. That is just incredible. I don't really want to do too much more dropping off of the paint, but I'm blown away with that. I'm mad on the yellow, of course. I love it when I get the yellow colour, but this really has kept all its colours really, really well. The white, of course, I wasn't quite so worried about, but I got the blue I wanted, the yellow, the purple and the fuchsia. I've got some sort of muddying going on there, but I love the blending of it. And of course the centre, well, that's just different. I'm really, really happy with that. So I'm going to leave it like this. I will now, of course, give it another torch. There are just so many little bubbles in it. And a lot of that, of course, is probably because I had made the paints up a few days ago, but I needed to add more water to them to thin them down a bit. And in doing so, of course, created a lot of bubbles in the mix. So, oh, just gorgeous. I'm so happy with that. Even the paint underneath, I'll just push this back a little. Things like that little, you know, just really, really different. So I'm going to leave that now exactly as it is. I'll bring the camera down for a close-up. It's like the road leading to a whole different land. Just, that's enough from me. Once again, thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time. you.